Hey everyone, I'm Hannah. I've been spending a lot of time experimenting with Google Flow lately. And today I want to walk you through one of its latest additions, Storyboard Studio. When I first saw this feature, I assumed it was just another small update. But after using it on a few projects, I realized it could make AI filmmaking much more organized and efficient. One of the biggest challenges when creating AI films is transforming a simple idea into a sequence of scenes that actually flows in shots, dialogue, and props while making sure it stays consistent throughout the story. That's exactly what Storyboard Studio is designed to help with. Let's jump in.
To begin, create a new project. Once you're inside the workspace, open the Tools panel from the left sidebar. You'll notice several creative tools available, including Sketch Tool, Mockup, Magic Mask, and even the option to build your own custom tools. I'll cover those in another video, but for now, scroll down and launch Storyboard Studio. The first thing you'll choose is the visual style for your project. You can create a custom style if you prefer, but for this demo, I'm selecting the 3D animation preset. Click Get Started, and you'll arrive at the script section. This is where the feature really impressed me. I pasted in a story and Flow automatically analyzed it, dividing everything into scenes, actions, and dialogue. I expected something fairly basic, but the generated structure was surprisingly practical. It wasn't flawless. You'll still want to review and tweak things, but it handled a large portion of the pre-production work automatically. Instead of organizing a script manually, it felt like having an assistant preparing everything for you. Next, switch over to the Assets tab. Normally, this stage involves creating every character, location, and prop yourself, which can take quite a while. Storyboard Studio speeds up that process dramatically. Simply click Autofill Characters, Autofill Locations, and Autofill Props. Flow reads your script and automatically creates assets based on the story. The nice part is that you're never stuck with the first result. If something doesn't match your vision, you can regenerate or edit it until it looks exactly the way you want. Once your assets are ready, head to the Storyboard tab. This is where the project starts feeling like an actual film. Your scenes are already arranged into storyboard panels. Initially, they're empty, but selecting Autofill Scene allows Flow to generate visuals for every shot using the script and the assets you've already created. These aren't random images. They're built specifically around your story and maintain consistency across scenes. This was the moment I really saw the value of Storyboard Studio. Instead of imagining how your film might look, you're watching it take shape one scene at a time. Before continuing, here's one important tip. Make sure you save your project. If you close the browser without saving, you'll lose your script breakdown and storyboard structure, forcing you to start over. After saving, it's time to assign voices to your characters. Open the Characters panel, choose a character, select a voice, and preview several options before deciding. Don't rush this step. The right voice can completely change a character's personality and how they come across on screen. Repeat the process for each member of your cast. Now comes the final stage, turning storyboard frames into fully animated videos. Open all media, select the storyboard frame you want to animate, and click Add to Prompt. You can generate the scene using either Standard Mode or Agent Mode. Personally, I recommend Agent Mode because it removes much of the prompt writing work. Simply copy the matching scene from your script, paste it into the prompt box, and the AI automatically builds an optimized prompt for you. There's another useful trick. Type add and select the character appearing in that scene. This helps Flow identify exactly who should be included during generation. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Within moments, your storyboard frame becomes a fully animated video complete with AI-generated visuals and synchronized dialogue. And that's an overview of the new Storyboard Studio inside Google Flow. This is actually my very first tutorial on this channel, so I'd really appreciate your feedback. Did you find this workflow easy to follow? Are there any other Google Flow features you'd like me to cover next? Leave your suggestions in the comments.